Lenovo XClarity Essentials is a collection of utilities which enable administrators to manage servers simply, efficiently, and with less overhead. One of those utilities is called UpdateXpress, which allows administrators to easily apply firmware updates to local or remote servers. In this demo, we'll look at applying updates to a remote server. To start, we've downloaded and started the UpdateXpress tool onto our local workstation. There are several tasks that can be accomplished with UpdateXpress. Since we'll be updating several machines over the next week, we wanted to make sure that we're using the same updates on all machines. So earlier today, we used this option to download a repository of updates to our workstation that we'll access later. For now, we want to update a remote machine. So first, we need to give it some information on connecting to our XClarity controller and to the SFTP server where the updates will be temporarily held. Once all the data is entered, we select Next. Now we need to identify the location of the updates. As I said earlier, we could go off and check the Lenovo support site every time we run this, but we want to make sure we've got some consistency. So we're going to point to the local directory where we downloaded the repository a little earlier today. Now we're going to run a health check to compare the updates that are available with what's currently running on the system. And you can see here that we've got just one update that's been highlighted and automatically selected. Of course, there are multiple things that were highlighted here. We could deselect things as we needed to, but in this case, we're going to simply take the default thing that's been selected. And finally, select Begin to start the update process. Here we can follow the progress of the update throughout the process. Now we can see the message indicating that our update package has been installed successfully and the process is complete. So with that, we can see that UpdateXpress is a simple, powerful utility that allows us to easily update our server systems, either locally or in this case, remotely across the connection from our workstation.